open Microsoft Excel. You to file and select. You to create a fresh Word document. Column A, naglagay lang ako ng random number. And column B, naglagay lang ako ng random name. Let's sort the data. We'll start by sorting the first alphabetically by name. Select column B, do to data tab in the ribbon, and click a sort A to see this will sort the first alphabetical code to each operation. Head to the insert tab in the ribbon in the sort section. Click on the line sort option and choose the set operation.
Sa taas, merong lalabas ng mga pagbibilan ng design ng pie chart. Pwede kayong mamili kung anong gusto nyong design. Perform the four arithmetic operation using formula. So sa addition, yung 48 is nasa column A siya and nasa number 2. Ang tawag po dyan is A2 and A3 naman po yung nasa 55. So, pag i-add na po natin siya, i-type lang po natin ang equal A2 plus A3 and enter. Lalabas na po dyan yung total ng addition natin. Ganon lang din po yung sa subtraction, multiplication, and sa division. Kung gusto niyo naman po mapadali, just click 4 and 28. For example, equals, pindutin yung 4, lagyan ng division sign and pindutin yung 28. Then enter, lalabas na po yung sagot. And that's it. If isi-save nyo naman na po, just Control plus S, magsisave na po siya.